Now, let's do a simple regression model, and we all hopefully know how we can do that in Excel. So for example, in Excel, we've got our X values, the independent variable, and the Y values, the dependent variable, and we can do a scatter plot that looks a little bit like that. It also gives us information about the slope, the gradient, and also the y-intercept and the r-square value. But how are we going to do a similar thing in R? So what we do is we just simply copy the data from our Excel spreadsheet. So copy and head over to R. So here we are in R, and in a previous video I showed you how we can import data from Excel. Let's do that quickly. So we assign a variable text and just simply copy what we have done in Excel like this. Okay, and now we read this information into a data table. Let's just simply call it data, and we read it with the command read table text equals txt. That refers to what we've just copied, and we've got headers, so we say headers equals true, like this. Okay, and we quickly check, do we have our data? Yes, we've got our data, we've got them here. So we've got the data in Excel. Now let's just simply assign variables to make things easier. Let's say we want to call X. This should be the data from the data table of X. And we also want Y value. These are the data $Y. Okay, so quick check. If we click on X, yes, that's the right one. Y, okay, good. So what we do now is we create a linear regression model. Let's call it a model. And we assign this to the model, and this is the function lm. And here we just simply say y, this is our y data, is regressed on x. Okay, so that's all we need. And now we can get a summary, or we just simply press or calculate. Let's have a look what this model actually shows us. And it gives us the coefficients. So here we've got the intercept and the x value. We can also get the summary of the model. This gives more information. So here is a lot of information. We probably don't need everything. For example, we probably don't use the residuals, but here we've got the coefficients. So here is the y-intercept, and here is the gradient, and we can check that, of course, that this is correct. We also get the r-squared value, so all the information that we had previously. And of course we can plot our graph. We can say plot, and we want X and Y plotted on it. So what does that look like? So here we get the data nicely plotted, and even with the labels correctly in place. So here we have our graph, and we want to have a trend line, and this is the command upline, and we go X, Y, so it will create a trend line on this plot like this. So very easy. We can of course modify the whole thing. We can put in a nice title, but this should do. So we very nicely get all the information from our data that we have copied straight from Excel. And this gives us nicely plotted results.